I'm Shreya Sethi and I'm your social science teacher. Today we are going to study social science civics chapter number 1 diversity of class 6th. So we will start with hard words. Let's see diversity. 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 Meaning of this word is the state of being different. Different. The state of being different. Next word is harmoniously. 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 Meaning of this word is friendly or being peaceful, right? Next is dialects. 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 Meaning of this word is a form of a language that is spoken in one area of a country. It's a form of language which is spoken in an area of a country. It's called dialect. Then next is assimilate. 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 Meaning of this word is to become something or to become part of a country or a social group, right? That is called assimilate. Next is diversity. Linguistic diversity. Linguistic. 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 Meaning of this word is language. And diversity. 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 Linguistic diversity. Differences which are based on languages or language diversity, like different types of language is being spoken in the different part of the country. That diversity is called linguistic diversity. Then next is religious diversity. Religious. Religious diversity. 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 Now the diversity or differences which are based on religion is called religious diversity. Next is diversity in food and festival. Diversity in food and festival. There are various types of diversity in India which are based on languages, religion, and third one is food and festival. Diversity in food and festivals. Next is cultural, geographical and cultural diversity. The fourth one is geographical and cultural diversity. Now, the geographical area or the culture they follow, the differences on the basis of their geographical areas and culture. This is the fourth kind of diversity. Next is perennial river. Perennial. Perennial river. Meaning of this word is river that flows throughout the year. The kind of river that flows throughout the year, not seasonal rivers. Okay, the rivers which flows throughout the year is called perennial river. Then next is intermingled. Intermingled. Meaning of this word is to make idea or to mix with people, right? That is called intermingled. Then next is lingua franca. Lingua franca, right? Lingua. Lingua franca. Franca. Lingua franca. Meaning of this word is a language used as a common language between the people who do not have the same native language, or we can say a shared language of communication used by people who are speaker of different language, right? That kind of language or that kind of communication, communicative language is called lingua franca. Then scarce. Scarce. Meaning of this word is limited or things which are hard to find, which are limited, they are called scarce. Then coined. 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 Meaning of this word is gave, gave, gave. Customs, customs, customs. Meaning of this word is a tradition or a common way of doing things. It's called custom. Next is rituals, rituals, rituals. An action or ceremony which is done in same way. A action which is done in a same way as usual is called ritual, or a ceremony, a program which is done in a same way is called ritual. Then landforms, landforms, landforms. There are various types of landforms like mountain, hills, plateaus, plains. They all are kind of landforms. Next is united, united, united. Meaning of this word is together, together, right? Next is influence, influence, influence. Meaning of this word is power to affect or change something. It's called influence. Next is strength, strength, strength. Meaning of this word is the quality of being physically strong is called strength. Then next is pashmina, pashmina, pashmina. It's a kind of, or we can say it's a famous wool, wool of eastern Ladakh and western Tibet, and people of Ladakh and Tibet used to trade this wool, or it's a kind of shawl, right? And next is judiciously, judiciously, judiciously. It means with a good sense or a good judgment, right? That is called judiciously. The last word is little Tibet, little Tibet. Ladakh is also known as Little Tibet. Ladakh is a place and which is also known as Little Tibet.